So there's the front of the head. Come back here to this main drive sprocket. Our chain link pinched right here. So I'm trying to loosen this tensioner and see if we can get that chain loose enough to pop that out of there. I'll probably have to take this plate off though somehow. Right up here. Put this snout up and you can see it better. So that chain being pinched right there. So we're gonna take this plate off and hopefully that'll pop out maybe. Alright, so we got the chain fixed there. We still have the hood up. Tightened that nut for the chain tensioner. We got our timing pretty close. It's not as good as it was. I'm adding another nut on here to keep that nut locked down so that does not happen again. So that does not pinch in there. So yeah, so we're gonna get this thing up and going. It is getting freaking cold. Pressure washed to kind of clean out. It's starting to freeze up, so like right down in there, all ice. So, all right, stay tuned for another video. And we're back to harvesting. All the tops are broke off and the corn's not very good. Not yielding very good here, but why the guy has insurance, I guess. Jake, he wanted to ride around with me. He asked if he could ride on my lap, but I said no. Here comes Travis in the tractor. I think we're going to go ahead and dump. Your dad's done for the day. Yeah, Dad's going home. Had all he could do. On, Rook.
Stick it out the door.
Hey guys, it's December 10th. We've been harvesting some today. I took some videos a little bit ago. Corn's pretty good. Some places is better than the others. We do have a lot of wind damage, a lot of lodging. Would have been better if we would have had better yield for sure if we didn't have the lodging and wind damage that we did. So I'm still pretty happy overall with everything. We're still running north of 100 bushels an acre on our corn. I'm getting ready to go down and knock out the really good field. There's about 20 acres of it. So at least get it started. I don't know how late I'll be working tonight. It's just about dark, so I wasn't sure how much I was going to get done today, but I got about 30 acres done so far. I did get I did have my organic inspection this morning. The certifier came out and inspected my bookwork, my paperwork, and the fields and everything. But so we're good to go. Looks like everything's good and certified, and yeah, we're going to keep running here yet tonight. So stay tuned for more videos. If things get tough, it is hard to see at night. Even with all the lights I've got on, I need some more on here. But we delivered the load of soybeans this morning. I had somebody drive down for me, and we're gonna, as soon as he gets back, he's on his way back right now, we're gonna fill up that truck, start filling that truck back up, and we're with the corn that's already loaded onto the grain cart and everything. So we're gonna be good to go. I do have my grain cart, but I'm gonna run to this field where I'm at right now, or where I'm going to, and I'm just gonna knock this out. I'll probably bring the combine back up tonight, but one thing I've got that really helps see what's behind me, and I've got a trail vehicle, but I've got my camera wired, a second camera wired now, so I can tell when somebody's trying to pass me. It's more of a safety thing, and like I can tell when somebody's getting ready to pass. It's also really good for when you are backing up and it's close to a tree line and you're not sure how far you can back up. That little camera is awesome for that. I'm gonna open up this one of the better fields. There's some damage, some lodging a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and get going here on this field. Mile-an-hour winds we had the other day, it really knocked quite a few leaves on the ground and stalks on the ground. We're going to see what we can get out of here though. Alright, hey, I'm going to have to shut down for the night. Travis is pulling in right now with the tractor and grain cart. But I'm going to have to shut down tonight. The lower spinner, the lower hydraulic spinner is driven by the hydraulic pump on the front. So it broke earlier. I went 2 passes and I've got probably, I don't know, a quarter of a grain tank here already. So this is yielding really good. There's still a lot of deer damage and there's a lot of lodging. So I think we're gonna be lucky to hit what I think we're gonna hit, but anything's still possible. So it looks pretty good in there right now. I don't know if you can tell or not. So it may not look like it, but that's about a quarter full. So yeah, we're gonna shut down. We're gonna resume this video tomorrow. I'm gonna go get a belt and fix up that hydraulic pump, that belt for the hydraulic pump, and we're gonna keep rolling. So we got 15, 20, another 15, so 30, 55 acres left. So about half done on our corn harvest, and we're doing pretty good. So, all right, I'm gonna tell Travis here if I can unblock my hand. Hey, Jake, have him pull down here by me so he's off the road, so nobody messes with the tractor.
What did you say?
Have him pull down here by me so nobody messes with the tractor.
Okay, I'm with him right now.
10-4. All right, so yeah, so I will continue this more tomorrow, and we're gonna keep this thing rolling. So I'm not probably gonna finish up until Saturday, so I'll probably roll that video in there too. My boys, they want to come and they want to harvest with me too, and we're far enough away from home that as soon as they get off the school bus, they're too far away to get here in time. So I'm going to take them out here Saturday and let them pick with me for a little while. All right, we'll see y'all soon. All right, hey guys, good morning. It is Wednesday morning, December the 11th, I think. Belt broke last night when I was running in a really good field, or in our really good corn that runs the hydraulic pump, that runs the tailings spreader. So I'm gonna go down to Harrisonville, get that belt, and then get up there, get everything warmed up, and start picking again. So stay tuned. All right, so we have a prairie lion out there. Kitty, 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 kitty. Well, hi there, prairie lion. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come here. It's a prairie lion. All right, we're gonna get ready to go and pick here back down in this field. We got the belt fixed, and now we're gonna jump out here and start picking. As you can tell, it got muddy and the combine stuck, so we got everything up here, and we're gonna unload the grain cart, use the 8300 to pull it out. All right, so the combine stuck down there in that low spot. I tried wallering out and it just didn't work. So I've got the grain cart unloaded. I'm gonna drive around the edge of this field here, and it's still even a little soft right back there, but I think it'll be firm enough that I'll be able to drive up. I may be running some corn over, but that's just gonna have to be how it is. And get over there and unload what we got in there, and then dump into this. Hopefully we get this thing out then, and then get the combine out. All right, so as you guys can tell, we did get everything out. We're gonna leave it parked there until tomorrow, and then we're gonna come back here and try to pick a little bit more tomorrow. So I'm gonna post this video. I'm gonna make it and then post it probably tomorrow sometime, and then I'm gonna start making another one with the completion of harvest. We've got about we've only got about, I'd say 35 acres, maybe 40 acres left on three parcels, because we still gotta finish this little patch. So yeah, about 40 acres left, and then we're done with harvest for 2019. So it's gonna snow this weekend, and so we want to get as much of the corn out as possible. So it's short here on this end, but it still is pretty doggone good right out there, right out in the middle of the field there. So still got a few acres here left, and then we're gonna finish it up. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, Travis is driving the truck. He's had a little bit of a hard time finding the gears. So we're gonna get him on camera here, and
he doesn't roll back into
yeah, if he does, just about killed it. Here, let me see if I can block some of the sun. Come on, rookie! But I'm gonna back up here 100 feet. He might want to go up sheer road. I don't think he downshifted. I think he's still in the high range. He is our YouTube special moment. It is so hard there. Here, I'm trying to block it. Come on, Travie.
Oh no. Oh, Ricky!
Oh, Travie.
Well, I guess if you just buy all that wire, we'll call it even.
Having problems there, Trucker Trav?
Fuck you.